We are building my neighbor Josh and his family a coop, and this is part 9. So we've already finished the coop part, and now we're building the enclosure. Once we got those walls up, we attached hurricane ties to where the rafters are going to go, and then we put the rafters up one by one. They are 10-foot 2x4s. Once we got all of those put up, we had to put the purlins up. Those are the ones that run the opposite direction so that you have something to attach the roof panels to. I can tell Josh really enjoyed climbing around the top of this, so I let him do that part. I'm really not into heights. So once we got all of the purlins up, we were ready to cut the roof panels. These are 10 corrugated roof panels that we got from Lowe's. Now they each had to be cut down, so I cut them while Josh attached them. I just used my circular saw, but I reversed the blade and it gets a really good cut. Just make sure you use ear protection and of course eye protection. For some reason, I think we always choose the windiest days to put the roof panels up. We are getting really close to being done. We just need to get everything painted, and then we will wrap everything in hardware cloth just to predator proof. Make sure nothing can get inside to the chickens. Oh, and of course we've got to put on the doors, which there will be several doors, one for the big coop door, one for the nesting box, which will fold down so you can easily collect the eggs from the back side. An automatic coop door is going in, and just a manual coop door. So those are really small on the inside of the enclosure. And then one door for the enclosure so you can walk into it, and one small chicken door on the back of the enclosure. Paisley is really enjoying her time with the chickens. Okay, bye.